Good afternoon, second year students. I am going to discuss about frames and as well as forms. These two, it is very important. Why means two different HTML page you are going to join only in frames. So here frames are relatively new addition to the HTML standard. It is introduced Netscape Navigator and Internet Explorer. So in 2005-6 like that. What is the objectives of these frames? Completing this section, you should know. You should be able to this thing. Create a frame-based page and work with the frame set and no frame element, and use attribute of frames element to control the display and set target appropriately. These four things you are very well after completion of this session. Not in theory part, practical part you know how to run the code, so that you learn should be able to do all the things. In frames, the page actually made up by multiple HTML pages. So this is there is one HTML document that describes how to break up single browser window into multiple window panes. Each window panes is filled with HTML document. Say for example is given below. This example document 1.html is there, document 2.html is there. So the left one window span is left, one window span is on right. So the frame.html is the page that describe that divide of single browser window into window panes. So see the diagram here. HTML frame, document 1.html, document 2.html. Two, it is joined in one frame. The name is frames.html. So this purpose only frame join two different HTML pages in one frame. The frame pages architecture. So frame page architecture majorly the frame based element are used. Frame set is one element. It is placed in the HTML document before the body. Body element is separate. The body, all the place we are using in HTML code. The frame set, it describe amount of screen real estate given to the each window span by divide the screen into row and column. So the row and column means you know very well. So that is going to divide. So the each window span by dividing the screen into row and column. And frame set will then contain frame. Frame also one of the element. Here frame set, within the frame set only frame will come. So one per division of the browser window. So note that because there is no body container, the frame set pages cannot have background image and background color associated with them. So that it is a separate body container. No, frame set page cannot have background image and background colors. So it is in frame page architecture. It is one of the coding examples in HTML. So here HTML starts head as usual, title, frame, framed pages. Here frame set. After that frame set is coming. Frame set, some left side frame 23%, right side frame 77%, and the frame set src. It is linking with document within quote document1.html, then frame src equal to within the quote document2.html close frame set. So frame set head as usual close and HTML coding as usual close. You see the output of the. So this diagram below is graphical view of the document. It describes above. So the frame set column equal to 23%, 77%. Here 23% frame set is there. Here right side 77% frame sets are there. So it is in described the above code HTML frame set code. Frame set container, frame set element creates division in browser window in a single direction. So not for single direction only, left or right. So this allow you to define the divisions as either row or column. So the row, it determines the size of the number of the rectangle row within the frame set. So and also there are set from top of the display area to the bottom. So the possible values here, absolute pixel unit is there 360, 120, and the percentage of screen 75% and 25%, and proportional values using asterisks. So this is often it combined with the value in pixel 360, star. The frame set columns equal to 200, 20%, star, 2 star. Likewise, you are going to split column and rows. Creating frame set pages. The column determines the size and number of the rectangular columns within a frame set. So definitely that is in left or right of the display area. The possible values, the pixel units 480, 160. It is an example. And percentage of screen width 75%, 25%. Majorly 50% also will use. So some marginal difference you must know. So that's what 75% and 25%. They are always giving example. Proportional value using asterisks. So this is often combined with the value in pixel. Example 480, asterisk. It is combined with the value in pixel. So here frame border, lot of element frame spacing. So frame border 0 and 1. 0 means the possible value 0 means no. 1 means setting 0 will be created borderless frame. 0 means borderless frame. 1 means bordered frame. Frame spacing attribute specified in pixel. So if you go to borderless frame, you will need to set value to 0 as well. So you will have a gap between your frame where the border used to be. So here border thickness of the frame. So the attribute specify in pixel, a setting of 0 will create borderless frame. Default value is 5. So bordered color attribute is allow you to choose color for your border. So the attribute is rarely used color border. Okay. So this elements, these attributes are once you used in the laboratory or otherwise use to write some HTML code and execute, then only you will get clear idea. Otherwise, it is not able to understand. Here frame set, some frames are there in continuous running content. So the frame element defines single frame within a frame set. So the frame element for each division create frame set. Each division, each part create frame sets. So this tag has following SRC attribute is there. It provides URL for page that will be displayed in the frame. SRC attribute. Name, it required the frame. So that allow the targeting by other HTML document. So the conjunction with area, base and form. So next one we are going to discuss for form. So form and frame is very important in writing, developing web pages. Margin width. So the optional attribute stated in pixels determine horizontal space between the frame, the content and frame border. So the marginal height and width. So marginal height, it determines the vertical space. There horizontal space in margin width. So here vertical space in the frame, the content and frame border. Scrolling display, scroll bar, no. So in web pages, scrolling information, no, it is always displaying scroll bar. Yes means, no means never displayed the scroll bar. Auto means browser will decide based on the frame content. By default scrolling is auto. So default it is running, no. So that is in auto. No resize. Here option prevents view from resize the frame. So the default user can stretch or shrink the frames display by selecting the frame border and moving up and down and left and right. No resize. So it is possible to select the frame border moving up and down, left and right. No frame. So here no frame, the capable browsers ignore all HTML with this tag including the content of the body element. So this element does not have any attribute. So this no frame means no, this not have any element. So the element does not have any attribute also. So no frame, straight away frame column 23%, 77%, frame SRC equal to name equal to left panny, frame SRC name equal to right panny, no frame, so only page. So this is the frame page. Upgrade your browser to support frame. So no frame, then frame set closed. So the component frame set division. So in case second frame set element will be inserted in the place of frame element. So that would be described in the second row. So here second frame set element will be divided remaining screen real estate into two columns. And this nested frame set will then followed by two frame set element to describe each subsequent frame division created. So here each division that frame sets is created. So you same program at least you copy in Notepad and run in the browser, then only you know how the frame set are working. So you simply watching the video or lecture, no, so you are not able to get more experience in practical. So here one frame set is there, here one frame set is there, here no frames, no frame means no element is required. So once no frame is closed, then immediately start with the frame set. Frame set you can assign whatever you want. In left side frame it is there, no. Likewise you can frame SRC equal to banner underscore file.html. You can link the files using frame sets and fix the rows equal to 120 and column equal to 120 and link file HTML and name the content file also, link file also, content file also. Likewise, you form a frame set. So here frame set division is like that. Above you may want to create a frame design with combined of row and column. Here banner file and here link file. Here left side is link file, right side is content file. The component frame set division example, here 25%, 50%, 25%. So remaining that is frame set columns only equal to 25%. So the frame the output is like this: frame set 25% and then see 25%, 50%, 25%, 25, 25, 50. That you can divide the frame also, no problem. You can divide. Here 50% divided. The frame created, frame set rows are created at 50%, 50%. Here the columns are divided in 50%, 50%. So here row and columns are divided into 50%, 50%. That is the thing 4 box came. Frame formatting, no, 20%, comma, star, comma, 20%. Here header HTML, more size scrolling equal to no. You set some elements. So frame src equal to body.html. Likewise, if you code it, so then immediately you get this once you executed. So whatever it is available in that file, as per the frame set, it will display as a output. So here what you following means, here frame set column within the double quote 2 asterisk, comma 3 asterisk, comma 5 asterisk, close the quote. Frame set column 150, comma 20% mixed together, percentage and as well as numbering also possible. You can, and asterisk, comma 3 asterisk. So here space allocated priorities, absolute pixel values are always assigned the space first and left to right. So order is in left to right only. So these are the percentage value of the total space. Finally proportional values are divided based upon what space is left. Here generic frame. So it is in one of the example, generic frame. Some that is URL is mentioned here. So here src is using, name is using, marginal width, marginal height, scrolling, and then no resizing are used in this frame. All elements available here. Okay. So what will be the output? Same no. What will be the output means this is the output of the frame set. Once the target is it is used to frame environment, you will need to specify the additional attribute target. Within the target, so target attribute use name attribute of frame element and you target it. So then the place a link document 1 HTML and linked document 3 HTML. We wanted document 3 HTML to be displayed in the right window pane. So the HTML code would be appear in the document 1.html as follows here. So href document 3.html target equal to right pane. So link document 3. Special target. So special target equal to underscore top, target equal to underscore blank, target equal to underscore cell. The 4 special target name, it cannot assigned by name attribute of the frame tag. So that purpose only you are this and all you can use frame coding and test means then only you know the execution how it is executing, like that you get some experience. Here target equal to within quote underscore parent. This parent prior frame set, that current frame set was swapped. So it is not browser window. Document loaded into the area occupied by the column and row. The frame set is containing the frame that contain the link. So all window disappear. Here the link click. So here href is used. Here the browser display window that the particularly first hyperlink. No, so here the content defined stuff.html. This can be simple HTML document and entirely new frame set defined. Second one is stuff.html target underscore self. Here underscore blank. So here click on the link will be simply causes the frame, so which contain the link to clear, and its content will be replaced with whatever it is there in stuff.html. Third link hyperlink, the frame set that it contained frame that contain this link will be replaced by the stuff.html. That is for target equal to within quote underscore parent. Okay, finally the frame set href target underscore top. It is click the link and replace the entire browser window with the content of the stuff.html. Target linking to frames. That's all. This is the last PPT. So attribute allow to specify the frame into the into a page is to located into the frame setting. So two href is using. So likewise that frame also displayed. So here first one is chapter 1.html. Here parent window. So this one is chapter 1, 2, 3. So here chapter 2.html is left hand frame, right hand frame is it is chapter 1.html. Some file they refer, no, something it is mistake. So at the time of execution, at the time of practical, we'll see more things about frame and forms is very important. Don't forget. If you forget, no, so not able to code the HTML. Thank you.